So here we have chapter 1, problem 30. It says, let f of x equal x squared and g of x equal the square root of x. Evaluate the following expressions. So A is asking us to find f of 3. So how to find that is you take f of x, which is x squared, and you plug in 3 for x. So that becomes 3 squared equals 9. And that's the answer for problem A. Problem B is asking f of negative 3, and you do the same thing. You plug in negative 3 for x, so it becomes negative 3 squared, which equals 9, since two negatives multiplied together equal a positive. You get 9 again. Letter C is asking to find g of 9. So you take the problem g of x, and you plug in x again, or you plug in 9 for x, and it becomes the square root of 9, and that equals 3. For letter D, it's asking you to find g of f of 3, and that's a composite function. So first you want to evaluate for the inner function. So f of 3 we found in problem A, which is 9. So then you plug in, so then it becomes g of 9. So you plug in 9 in for x for function g, and it becomes the square root of 9, which equals 3. For problem E, here it is asking g of f of 6. So again, evaluate for the inner function. So f of 6 is, so f of x is x squared, found up here. So you plug in 6 for x, and that becomes 36, because 6 squared is 36. And then you plug in 36 into g of x. G of x. So g of 36 becomes the square root of 36, which equals 6. Finally, for problem F, it is asking g of f of x. So here you have no number to put in for x, so you just put in f of x into the g of x function, and it becomes the square root of x squared, and simplified, that is just x, since if you take the square root of a square, then it just cancels out and it becomes x.